Welcome to the next level of mobile security. In this video, we are exploring the most advanced Android app designed for professional hackers and security experts. These tools offer a wider range of powerful functionalities, from penetration testing to network analysis, providing you with everything you need to know to enhance your cybersecurity skills. So stay tuned, do well to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video with anyone who might need. Remember, these tools are used for only technical purposes or educational purposes. Make sure you have an explicit permission to ensure the compliance with legal and technical standards before you do anything with it. Now let's get started. Number one, KET Hunter. It's a mobile penetration testing platform that developed for Android devices. KET Hunter provides an extensive array of tools to perform sophisticated security assessments. It is built on top of Kali, enabling advanced attack vectors such as bad USB and HID keyboard attacks. Number two, Termux. Termux is a terminal emulator and Linux environment app. It brings you the full power of Linux distribution to your Android device without the need of rooting. Termux supports a wider range of programming language and can run multitude of hacking tools like Metasploit, Nmap, and more, making it essential for any cybersecurity professional to use it. Number three, Hackoi. It offers a suite for information gathering, scanning, and security testing. It is a handy app for technical hackers who are looking to perform reconnaissance and preliminary network assessment. Number four, Zenith. Zenith is another powerful penetration testing toolkit. It is designed to assess network vulnerability with an ease. One of its standard features is the ability to stimulate an advanced attack and generate detailed reports, making it perfect for security assessment. Number five, rcking. This app acts as a rubber ducky payload generator for Android, allowing users to craft, test, and deploy sophisticated keystroke injection attacks. It stimulates a keyboard to deliver pre-configured script rapidly, making it potent tool for testing the resilience of system against hardware attacks. Number six, Think. Think is a top-tier network scanner that allows for discovering of device on any Wi-Fi network, providing detailed information about each devices. It is invulnerable for networks, troubleshooting, security auditing, and detecting unauthorized access with its advanced features such as port scanning and ping testing. Number seven, which is the last one, Android RAT. Android Remote Administrative Tool or Administration Tool is designed for stimulating attack and accessing vulnerabilities. It is a great tool for demonstrating the importance of mobile security testing and understanding the potential threats. This video is strictly for educational purposes. I will say it once again. So make sure you use these apps wisely and always have an explicit permission before you use this app. And with the help of this app, it will enhance your cybersecurity skills, or it will make your hacking or your penetration testing very easy. So do well to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video with anyone to get more of cybersecurity tips, technology, and also don't forget to stay safe and stay informed. Welcome back to Koscyber. See you next time. Alhamdulillah.